Hi guys, this time I'm going to show you how I sew an invisible zipper. It's called invisible zipper because no visible zipper teeth are shown. It's different than a normal zipper that you usually use for pants. This kind of zipper is perfect for skirt, dresses, and party gown. Okay, so before we start sewing, prepare the pattern you wanted to join and the zipper. You also need to have the invisible zipper footer. This one is my Singer portable presser foot. And for this one is my Juki industrial presser foot. If you don't have this kind of presser foot, you can find easily in the sewing machine shop. They usually also sell various kind of presser foot. After you determine which side you want to sew on, mark at the point where the zipper needs to stop. I am using a 25 cm invisible zipper, so I mark where 25 cm is from the edge plus 1 cm because we usually have seam allowance at the top. I give mark at 26 cm. It is where the zipper will stop later on. After that, we can start sewing. On this first sewing, use the biggest stitch gap on your machine. I use 5 on my Juki machine. Sew with this setting preference till the dot we marked earlier. Then change the stitch gap into your normal sewing preference. Now I switch it to 3. 2 backstitch for this stitch and continue sewing till the end. As you can see, it looks like this at this point. When you finish, iron up the seam to open it. After the seam open, take your unpicker and unpick the big stitches until the dot we marked. This step is to give us a nice guideline so it is easier to sew the zipper later on. Keep unpicking and stop at the dot. Done with unpicking. Now it looks like this, and we need to flip over. Now we can start sewing the zipper. Facing like this, follow the previous guideline. Don't forget to backstitch. Under the invisible zipper presser foot, there are 2 small slits. When you sew, put the zipper teeth under this small slit. We are now done with one side. For the other side, it applies the same. Pin to make sure the zipper is on the right place. continue sewing again. Then you can test it out to see whether your zipper can go up and down easily. Here is the result. It looks like a normal seam from outside. The zipper can go up and down nicely without any fabric lump. Of course, if this is your first trial on sewing invisible zipper, you might experience tugging on the zipper or probably the upper part doesn't match. It's okay, just keep on practicing and practicing. I believe later on you will be an expert. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. You can also check out my other video. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you. See you on my next video. Bye!